Hello children, in this video you will learn few more features of editing in Excel. So in this video you will be learning how to insert a comment in a cell and how to clear the cells. Under clear cells you learn to clear comments from cells, formats of the cells and contents of the cells. Or as well you want to clear everything, all these three if you want to clear together, you can use all option of clear cells. Insert comment. Now, what are comments? Comments are notes that you enter for a cell. Now suppose in some cells you want to display some notes and you don't want those notes to be displayed in the table. So you can enter those notes as comments for the cell. These notes will not be visible when you see the table, but you can view the notes by using the mouse pointer. Now how to enter comments? You have to go to the review tab. You have to first select the cell where you want to enter comments. Go to the review tab. In that review tab, in the comment section, you will find new comment option. You click on it, and when you click on it, a text box will appear where you can enter your comment. Once you have entered the comment, you can see that in that cell, there will be a red mark appearing. At the top right corner of the cell, you will see a red mark. And when you bring the mouse pointer to that red mark, you will be able to see the comment. Now this is my activity results table. Here you can see that there are two students who have secured second position, that is the same position in elocution competition. Now I want to insert a comment in this cell to state that. For that, I'll go to the review tab. In this review tab, you can see that this is the comments section. In this comment section, there's the option new comment. You need to click on this new comment. As soon as I click on this new comment, in this cell you can see that at the top right corner there's a red mark and a box appears next to it. Now in this box you can type your comment. I'll remove this and I'll type the comment. Two students in the same position. Once I've finished typing the comment, I'll click anywhere else in the worksheet. So my comment is entered. Next is clearing a range of cells or erasing a range of cells. This can be done by using the clear option in the home tab, and in the home tab you'll find that editing section is there. In this editing section you'll get the clear option. Now these are the options available for clearing the range of cells, all contents, formats and comments. So now let's see how we can do this. Now this is the same activity result table. In this table I have done some formatting. I have changed the background color of this header row. I have changed the font as well. Here I have changed the color of the text. Font I have changed and size also I have changed. You can see this cell has Algerian font. Okay, size I have not changed, so I will change the size also. Instead of 11, I will make it 16 suppose, or I will make it 12. Okay, so your formats have changed. Here also I have changed the format. Now here also in two cells I have put the comment. Okay, so now I'll show you first how to remove the comment. I'll click on this cell. You can see at the top right corner there's a red mark. That means this comment is there. Okay, can you see this comment is there? We are not able to, so I'll just move this side. Okay, now can you all see this comment is entered in this cell. So if I want to remove this comment, I'll go to the editing section. Can you all see this editing section in the home tab? In the home tab itself there's editing section, and in this editing section there's clear option. So you need to go to this clear option Click on the arrow besides that clear and click on clear comments. Can you see, children? From here the comment has been removed. As soon as I've clicked on that clear comments option, the comment from this cell has been removed. Similarly, if I want to clear some content, suppose these cells I've entered wrong competition name or wrong activity name. So I'll select these cells and I'll go to this clear option, click on clear content. So my content is removed. Now I can enter the correct activity name. Now suppose if I want to remove the formats, here contents are correct over here, only the formats are wrong. I need the format same as these formats. So I'll select these cells. Okay, I don't want any formats over there. So I'll select these cells, go to clear and click on clear formats. So my formats will be cleared and the default formats will appear over here. So now you can see the font is Calibri and this size is 11. I had made it 12 earlier. Size is 11 and the color also is black. That is automatic color. Okay, children. So this way you can clear comment. I had shown you how to clear comment from here. I had cleared content over here and I have cleared formats over here. Now suppose if you want to clear everything, you want to clear contents also, comments also and formats also. So for that you need to select the cell. Suppose these cells I am selecting, I want to remove the contents and formats from here and there's a comment here, isn't it? So I am selecting all these cells and I'll click on clear all to remove this comment and contents as well as formats. Okay, so for that I'll go to, I've selected the range first and then I'll go to clear option and I'll click on clear all option. As soon as I click on clear all, everything from this selection will be cleared. Can you see? Can you see? As soon as I clicked on clear all, everything from here has been removed. Of course, if I've removed it by mistake, I can press Ctrl Z or I can click on this to undo it. Okay, so by mistake, if you have done something wrong, immediately you can click on undo button over there to bring your data back. Okay, children, understood? So the 4 options of clear from editing section you are supposed to learn, that is clear all, clear formats, clear contents and clear comments. This is assignment 8. Children, you have already prepared a mark sheet table in the previous assignment. So now copy this mark sheet table to a different location. Because the same table, same student's name, same class, same subjects, you will be needing a table for entering marks for different terms. So copy it 3 times so that you can enter marks for term 1, term 2 and term 3. Now suppose if you have arranged the tables in a horizontal order, you move the tables to arrange it in a vertical order, or if you have arranged the table in a vertical order, you move the tables to arrange it in a horizontal order. Also insert comment for absent students where you will mention the reason for their absence. And try to apply few formats first and then you can clear the formats of the table and apply again new formats. Thank you, children.